Bonjour tout le monde. This is Ms. Fox with French Pronunciation Part 1. Today we're going to cover vowels. So what are vowels and how do you form them? Basically, they are created by completely opening the vocal tract and allowing air to flow out unobstructed. Okay? But what makes the vowel sound is the placement of the tongue within your mouth. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to develop a physical awareness of your tongue's location in your mouth. And don't worry, this is what I'm here for, to help you with that. So first, let's just back up a little. What types of vowels are there? We have two types. We have oral and we have nasal vowels. Today, just to keep it simple, we're going to cover oral vowels. These are the basic vowels that you hear when you say the alphabet, when you recite the alphabet. And they're pretty much the same for French, Italian, Spanish, even Hebrew, actually. Okay? So they're the same vowels as in English, which is A, E, I, O, U. They're just pronounced a little bit differently in French. Okay? So this is where I'm going to help you to figure out where the tongue is in your mouth. All right? So here we go. So the A in French is pronounced A. So you should open your jaw, you should lower your jaw and make sure that the tongue is all the way at the bottom, in the bottom of your mouth. Okay, so now try to say ah, but very short. Okay, ah. The next one is E, which in French is eh. It's very short, eh. So again, you open your mouth not as much as when you pronounce the A, a little less, and you kind of put your face backwards like you're smiling. So you're smiling and you're saying eh. Okay, so eh. The tongue is also in the bottom of your mouth. Okay, next we have I. And here you can use the word ni or si to help you. So when you say those words in English, pay attention to where your tongue is. And that's where you form the I. So for example, si, e, okay, ni, e. Except in French, the e is shorter. So it goes like e. Okay, so your tongue should be in the roof of your mouth. Then we have the letter O. In French, it's kind of the same way to pronounce it. It's just your mouth is less rounded, and you want to make sure that your lips are relaxed, and then the tongue is also in the bottom of your mouth, and it's very short. Okay, the vowels in French are very short and crisp. So here we go. O. O. Okay, don't round your mouth too much. And then finally we have the vowel U. And this one you can think of the word who, for example, okay? Just, again, not the long U, the shorter version of U. So you say who, and you pay attention where your tongue is, and then you just say ooh, instead of you. Ooh, okay? So who, ooh. Right? So I'm going to go back to all of them. So e, I, E, O, U. Okay, so those are the primary vowel sounds. It's a lot more intricate. The French language has, unlike Spanish or Italian, for example, it has a menu of vowel sounds. And, I'm going to try to tackle as much as I can with you guys if you're further interested to learn. So, bonne chance, keep practicing, and à la prochaine. See you next time.